we've spotted something a little bit strange about this launch event. Let's discuss. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and you'll remember that a week ago we reported on the new DJI event approaching in just a week, where we know that they'll be launching a new drone. We don't yet know for sure if it will be the Mavic Air 2, but it's highly likely. However, since this teaser trailer went out, we've spotted something which is a bit odd, and you can see it right there. The event states 9:30 p.m. And we initially hadn't noticed this because you just naturally assume it's going to be AM, which is the time at which DJI generally launch products. Now that's the Eastern Daylight Time Zone, which covers a lot of America, but 9:30 p.m. at night is very late to be releasing a product. And normally these events take place at 9:30 a.m. EDT in the morning. If we consider that time in the UK, it's 2:30 a.m. and 3:30 a.m. for most of Europe. So it's really not a great time to be launching a product. Now a year ago or so, DJI published banners on Twitter announcing a new product launch, and I spotted that it said AM instead of PM. I messaged them and they corrected it, and so I thought maybe this was a typo. But DJI have confirmed that no, it's correct, and that seems very odd. Now 9:30 p.m. EDT in America is 9:30 a.m. in China. And maybe this is a sign that DJI are prioritizing their own customers in China, perhaps due to the dispute between America and China and the trade war. Or is this not political at all, and instead DJI need to get the product out, but they feel that it would be insensitive to release it during daytime hours in the US, and so instead they're being a little bit more discreet. Regardless, we do find it rather strange that DJI are deviating from the normal release time that they use and have used for years. Or maybe we're just thinking too much into this. Regardless, comment below with your thoughts, give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if we've got more subscribers than you, and click that subscribe button. Thanks very much for watching.